Okay. Take two, big dog. I'm feeling like a big dog. This one at time myself. We're gonna hold this little. And daddy's no one else. I feel like a skelter when I love myself. Into my feeling like there's nobody else. Feeling like a big dog running wild. I feel like a supernatural. Oh, big dog, where you been? Big dog, I'm right here. Big dog, I'm right. Yeah, nobody knows what it's like. All this pain I hold, the frustration and the grudge. Feeling like a big dog. This one at time myself when I go to sleep. There is no one else. I feel like a skelter when I love myself. Every time I feel like there's nobody else. Feel like a big dog running wild. I feel like it's supernatural. Oh, big dog, where you been? Big dog, I'm right here. Big dog, I'm right. And I crumble when I close my eyes from thinking of what I can become, becoming numb. But now I'm feeling like a big dog. I'm feeling like a big cock. And we're gonna keep that in the recording though.
Okay.